Hello everyone. Now today marks the 21 days of these cute little kittens. Everyone has opened their eyes. You can see they are now even grooming themselves. Look at how cute they are. And this one's sleeping. It will wake up soon. And here we have a baby. This one. And the mother cat, of course, is protective of them. So I will have to start the little training of these kittens soon enough, like after 5 to 10 days. They will be big enough to pee themselves and they are starting to learn to walk, like you can see it. Mhm. And they are starting to learn to fight even. So when the kittens open their eyes, they are always blue in color. They can't see it clearly, but soon enough they will be able to, and they will start drinking milk like from other sources instead of their mom at around 1 month. It will be a beautiful journey to see them grow up. Every day they do new things, they grow up so fast. And that's why they seem so cute.